Hello world, siema, dzień dobry wszystkim, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. Today is another day in Bali, Indonesia obviously, and another live stream, chat, virtual tour, video type from Bali, from Legian, from Padma. I'm gonna go around Legian Street and in general Padma, going to Kuta Beach, beach walk area, and come back to the same spot where I'm starting right now. So this is the Padma hotel. Today's live stream, it's gonna be longer, I think. Longer little bit. It's gonna be like 2 hours long, maybe something like that. So if you are watching in the first 2 hours, please enjoy the live chat, what you can communicate with the other people who are watching right now worldwide, and you can always watch since the beginning later the playback. And for everyone who are watching later, because not everybody have a time at 4 p.m. Bali time, so you can enjoy this video later on. All right, so that's how it is. This is the parking area of Padma, 180 degree, maybe 360 around, very quickly. And I'm gonna go now into Padma, Legian Street, and so on. Enjoy, guys. So guys, this video is totally not edited, especially later when you are watching playback. So sometimes can be shaky, sometimes can be lost connection or something like that. You never know. Please enjoy, sit, relax, take some beer, drink, water, maybe breakfast, maybe dinner, and enjoy, guys. All right, let's go. This is the machinery for cleaning the beach everywhere around, and this is the Legian Padma situation. Little doggo. Hello. Nice to meet you. This lady always selling a tea. Here is the singing guy drinking water alone. Let's see if he will sing for me today. This is the office of Banjo. Nice graffiti, everything around. Still quiet. It's 4 p.m. Hello, how are you, my friend, today?
Let Mary be, and me the first be the midnight to the love, baby, love is right. Freedom is real, love before, thank you very much. All the Bali and Padma Legian.
Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, my friend. Good luck. All right, that was really nice. This is the guy with the so many dogs over there. Take care, my friend. See you later. Oh my god, that was the good crack. Oh my god, guys. This singing guy is really phenomenal. Really good fun with him all the time. Now I'm just walking between Padma Hotel on this side, and on the other side is Mandira. I'm gonna go all around, guys, one more time whenever you're watching it. So stay tuned. The live stream will finish, this video will finish in general somewhere in Padma Legian, or maybe I will have a bincang with Erika, because this is actually very close to her. If she will be still open, I don't know how long it's gonna take me. Anyway, enjoy what is at the front of me one more time. All right, that's how it is. This is the entrance very slowly to Bali Mandira Hotel. Bali Mandira Hotel is somewhere here. Here we go. They have a they used to be busy during the Nyapi. During the Nyapi, the hotel was sold out. All the rooms, 100%. Can you imagine that, guys? Well, but mostly local people. Anyway, still not so busy as it used to be, but it's getting better and better each time. Let's see how's the life today gonna look in Legian Street. Been a while since I was vlogging last time. Hello. How you doing? All good? Welcome to Bali, guys.
Safe in Bali, safe in Bali.
Very safe, very safe. Not sure. Seems like they didn't realize, as I used to passing this street already for hundreds times. But yeah, nowadays, to compare to the last month even, or even past 2-3 weeks, everybody or most of the people will think as I just arrived to Bali a few days ago, yesterday, something like that. So that's gonna be very interesting, but yeah, that's nothing to be very surprised about. There are some bluebirds already waiting for you, so no shortage of the bluebird taxis. Padma, Legian, hotels are open, even the restaurants here also reopening. Fat Ball and Makan still quiet, okay, quiet, but they are reopening already, so it's better and better. I think now will be better and better each week. Upcoming week will be just simply better and better. Still gonna be, obviously, like I already mentioned a few times in the past videos and regular vlogs, it needs weeks, maybe months to come back to be really visible improvement, but definitely it is already better and better. However, maybe except this street, which is Poser Pub and Padma Utara, going there seems like nothing really changed there and will be pretty the same all the time. This is the Rama residence, by the way, if you're interested. Poser Pub, hello. Massage ladies. I believe there will be many massage ladies on Legian Street. Meanwhile, this is still Padma. And well, it's still quiet, what I can say. I'm not gonna say as it's busy because it's not. Padma, for some reason, loud motorbike. For some reason, Padma this one and Padma Uchara taking long time to recover, but this is like well, still that's a huge area. This is the entrance to the garlic lane little development. And well, it's so loud here actually, I don't know why. Some aircon. Rama Garden Hotel. So I'm trying not to moving too fast with my camera, so I'm more likely focused like that, more on the one side of the street, on the other side of the street for a while. That's definitely much better than I showing you this, and then this Jeep wheelies, and there is the rental company, and there is abandoned building, and there is something that are just on the one side, guys. I hope so you got what I mean. Anyway, okay, Padma, Casa Padma. Check this out, the cars, Mini and Mini. By the way, very interesting fact is as the what's going on here? Oh, some foreigner cycling nicely. Very interesting fact is as the mini cars in Bali, in Indonesia in general, they are very expensive because the tax for the European cars is very expensive. So that's why all the European cars are at least double price to the any country in Europe, or even triple sometimes. So that's why so many Japanese cars driving around. In general, I don't know why so many only Japanese, like Toyota, Honda, stuff like this. Not many even Korean cars, like not many Kia or Hyundais. What is this hotel? Oh, the Loca Legian is open actually all the time. Nothing really changed, but still very quiet. Only one car. There is some little bakar here. Burning Cliffs taxi. The Loca Resort and Spa. And peacefully walking today. Don't want to walk too fast because last time I make a... I was very tired, to be honest, after last time when I walked in Seminyak. I hope so it's not gonna be rainy, because it was to be rainy actually all day. I mean, since 11 to 3 p.m. like, hello. So, yeah, still many businesses are closed in Padma Street. There is nothing to say it's not, because it is. This momos, this place was popular for the steaks. I remember it was so busy. So yeah, this is how it is. It is how it is, either you like it or not. I have to show you everything. Mozzarella restaurant and bar. seems like it's gone. They're selling some little little warungs with the little street food. Somebody parked here the Hilux at the corner. That's not really good idea. And the motorbikes parking like this, that's also a very common thing. Some foreigners driving this HRV. I don't know, I have a feeling as everybody looking at me today very weird. But yeah, look at this dog. That's so cool, always cool guys, always cool. Anyway, this is the corner of Padma, Circle K. There you could go to Seminyak. We are not going today to Seminyak. There is the another street, Padma Timur, which is Padma East, less popular to tourists. And we're going straight today to now the area of this Mercedes, full of stickers. Old Mercedes, actually, nice. This is S-Class, I think. Hello. Going to Mercure now, Mercure Legian area, and then will be the Legian Street. So this is how it is. Slowly, slowly. I just hope it's not gonna be rainy today like last time. It should be fine, I hope so. It will be alright. There's still many buildings closed. Many people actually waving. That's good. I hope so my upcoming videos and live streams gonna be more popular when Bali is getting to be awake since last 2 years, because there was the time already when almost nobody looked for Bali. I'm checking regularly the Google statistics and Google Trends. There is something like that. So there was the time when almost nobody searched in Google Bali anymore, but now it's little bit more improvement. So I hope so something will happening. Meanwhile, maybe this street here is not that optimistic yet, but I think Legian Street itself, just after Mercure and Kuta in general, definitely more alive. It's very important to show you the Legian as well today. It's getting very slowly waking up. Anyway, there's some statues. They were busy smoking and playing on the phone. Well, I don't know what this bar here is supposed to be, but it's still closed. Yogi something, nice mural. And slowly going into Legian Street direction. That's how it is, guys. Bali life. I hope so you can hear me properly, hear me clearly. There is no error. It's a little bit windy, which is actually pretty good for me, because if it's like, you know, no wind, no nothing, it's just like walking inside the sauna. The humid after rain is terrible. So the humid in Indonesia, in Bali and Indonesia in general, is something between 70-90%, which is much more above the regular humidity, which is 40-50% or 30-40, something like that, or maybe 30-50. So, and it's also coming the heat, of course. So whenever you're gonna come, you will feel it, especially if you are not coming from another tropical country. You will feel it. It's very hot, guys. Nothing has changed, really nothing has changed. This Grab driver parked. I need to walk on the street one more time. I think he's the Grab driver, because who else will do something here anyway. Mercure Hotel, Legian, popular place for many of you. I think it's open. They was doing some renovations during the hard times, because obviously there was the big fans. I used to vlog here also time to time, so I believe you remember that. Also, guys, don't forget about the thumbs up, very important. Yeah, it's very important. If you don't mind, it's totally free, easy to do it, helping me a lot. And the junction of Mercure Hotel and Grandma's Bella Italia and Legian Street seems alright. I'm not gonna say it's like very busy, but seems alright. Also, last time I saw a very bad accident here about the motorbike like hit each other. That's very bad actually, but we are not talking about the accidents today. Tommy Little Taylor passing the street. This is the Grandma's Mercure. Little spare cables here in case if something happened. Loud motorbikes. Damn motorbikes. And Grandma's Bella Italia Hotel. And going now to Legian Street, Jalan Legian, guys. Very popular place. I think I already mentioned as this is probably the most popular street in full entire Bali. Popular through the little markets like this one. You can buy this bag for 40k, by the way. And any other businesses, 2-3 star hotels, statues. Hello, thank you. People who trying to sell you something like that, more and more coming up, which is, well, it's good. Massage parlors and touches parlors, so touches shops. I cannot say parlors for touches, right? So yeah. All right, there will be some massage here. Let's see. YouTuber. Hello, Asa. You know me? Really? What's my name?
Russia?
No. I'm not from Russia.
There is one vlog.
What's going on? Hello.
She is your big fan.
Massage.
No, thank you. Maybe next time.
She's
Yeah.
your big fan.
I know. So what is my
I
name?
forget your channel, but
Sometimes,
I see your channel.
yeah, sometimes.
Because your duration almost more than 30 minutes, right? Mostly you vlog in a Canggu area.
Oh, that's not me.
Not you?
Not me.
Your face same.
No, but that's not me. That's
Really?
different. I'm mostly vlogging in Kuta Legian.
Ah,
Kuta Legian Sanur. Kuta Legian Sanur, that's my area. I'm not going to Canggu.
So where you from?
I'm from Poland.
Polandia?
Yeah.
Is it good?
I don't
you
know.
live in Bali?
I live in Bali already for 7 years. I don't know.
Ooh, 7 years?
Yeah. My wife is from Tabanan, from Bali.
Really nice.
So-
So what do you do in Bali?
Just making video for people so they can
vloggers?
they can see how is the life around. Check this out. How's life in Bali, by the way? How is Legian now? More tourists coming?
Some, but not like, yeah, you know, like new normal, they say. New normal.
New normal. Yeah.
Not normal. New.
How is your shop? Did you sell already something?
Yeah, but you cannot feel all the new stuff because
Still quiet.
Right.
So I know. I cannot. All right, my friend. I hope so. Maybe next week's. Yeah.
see you.
See you next time. By the way, if you would like to check my channel, my name is TheMonkeys.
Ah, I see. I'm not the monkeys.
Okay, so that's me then.
Wait. I already subscribed.
Okay,
to your
we
channel.
will see on your phone. Is you subscribe?
So,
Meanwhile, the little
You want to
advertising
give-
for the
you want-
massage
You
shop
want to give
here.
me ice cream? Yeah, see? Monkey.
The monkey, yeah. Let's see if
See?
it's true.
I already subscribed you.
No,
Oh.
no. The monkeys. Meanwhile, okay. One more shot for the massage. Sorry, Merta Day and Spa and Salon.
Hi, sorry for the salon, please.
What? Sorry, Merta? Ah, yeah, sorry, Merta.
Sorry for the salon already open.
Alright.
Why I cannot find it?
The monkeys. THA monkeys, the first one. This one. Can I see by myself? Hold on, I need to keep doing the where is it? The monkeys. Go, this one. Here we go.
See? I see
Okay, subscribe. Thank you so much.
You want to give me ice cream? You
See you
want to give
next
me ice
time.
cream?
Wait,
That's what I say. I know you.
you want me to pay for your massage?
Ooh, bring ice cream.
All right, next time. I will bring donuts. Donuts, okay?
Yeah.
Jaco?
If you do not, don't you be live.
All right.
Must be honest because you need to send
I will come with donuts, but I don't want a massage. But donuts for you, for free, okay?
Okay.
No problem.
Okay, we waiting.
Don't forget. See you next time, guys. And for you too, no problem. All right. There is the Swiss restaurant over there. So it's the good crowd actually with the vendors here. Very nice. He really subscribed. He many YouTubers around, so yeah, but nice. I will come with donuts next time, so I will have opportunity to make a more video. He was right, I cannot vlog inside his shop because he was selling the fake items, which is popular. This street is very popular for this. But I could have a little problem on YouTube for that. So anyway, still places for rent. And the steel shops closed. This is corner where is the one-way road system. So you can go left or right, obviously. And now more busier part of Legian Street is starting basically here from this corner where people coming like this. So many more vendors are open here. So yeah, very good. Yo, all right. Everybody thinking as I just arrived, but this guy not remember me, a previous one. And how's the business? So many bugs, so many products for you guys whenever you're gonna come back. Shops are open already. You don't need to complain of the shortage of the merchandise, like shops with clothes and the rattan bags. They come back. Massage also, they will for sure. More and more. Nice dresses for ladies, by the way, if you're interested. T-shirts also nice. And yeah, there is the Paradise Hotel. Another massage and the music. This is the cafe. Yo, what's up? Hello.
How are you?
I'm alright. How are you? It's okay.
Hey, what's up?
Yo.
Yes, what's up, bro?
Yo, what's up?
What?
I'm alright. How are you?
Thank you, boss.
Welcome to Bali, guys. Oh, big. How are you, my friend? I'm Damian. How are you? What's your name?
I'm Boy.
Boy? Hello. How are you?
Good massage.
Thank you.
You look stop you by
I will show to the people how the beautiful stuff you have, alright? But maybe they will come soon and buy.
This very cheap.
35k for these bags, guys. Check this out, ladies. This is for you. Come to this guy. What's the name of the shop? It's just next to this car, anyway, so you will remember.
Where they come?
I'm from Europe, my friend.
Where they come Bali? Yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday, 2 days ago. Take care.
Happy Bali.
Yeah.
Finish Corona, yeah?
Yeah, already all is good, all good. Take care. So, like I said, I came to Bali just yesterday, 2 days ago, and trust me, guys, I know it sounds like I'm lying to them, but sometimes it's just simply not worth to explain, as I live here for many years and I have a wife and stuff like this, because sometimes it's just easier to say as you just come yesterday. Anyway, this is like giving little bit of hope for them, as I'm the YouTuber tourist who just come. It's just nice. Another massage here. Oh, there are some mates walking now on the streets. Seems like they are just also come to work on the street. Hello. So nice. These two fellas, obviously they don't know me. It's alright. Actually, not many people know me. I have just 15,000 subscribers, not like a 15 million. Actually, I supposed to have 150,000 for after 2 years of vlogging, but like I said, Bali was totally out of interest for a very long time. Big rip cool shop with the loud music. That's really not good. I have to talk very loud, whatever, because after that I'm gonna get a problem with YouTube, guys. So YouTube, don't ban me, please. All right. Sounds like a stupid, right? But that's I have to be very careful. Mais vui, Vietnamese restaurant. This lady opening restaurants like crazy. In the last year she opened like a 4 or 5 already. And like I said, opening soon. There will be the Mamash. Soon. Opening soon. Very soon. German restaurant they open also. They have a restaurant on the main street from Kuta to Sanur on the bypass, by the way. I should vlog there once. Sometimes I'm having lunch with Winnie there. Very nice food, by the way. Not endorsing, but popular place. And over somebody on the motorbike. Little traffic. Also, there are some foreigners in Legian, guys. This is Jalan Patimura. Definitely some of them they are arrived. This is at the front. Is the, what is it called? Jalan Benasari. Deep inside. Bamboo Blonde have a sale, guys. Ladies. And yeah, where are we going? This is Cafe Romano 141 closed. Alright, well, not everything, this over contract, never gonna come back. And this is the Pad Bar and Grill. Somebody said some of your friends own this. Unfortunately, it's closed, guys. It's just closed, so sorry about that. I'm not sure if they're gonna come back, but I hope so. The People shop is open. It's huge, empty land, by the way, over there. Never saw this gate open. And there's so electricians here working. Yo, Akmani, Legian, guys. Hotel, not sure if it's open. Maybe it's open. Empty, but maybe open. Oh, nice mural over there. And here. Yes, massage. Hello. Hello. Yeah, massage. Maybe next time. Or maybe later, yeah. I'm just start vlogging. Maybe later. Maybe later, right? Yeah, maybe. Yo, what's up? They're happy people. Nice yellow Vespa. And here is Le Giant Pool and Bar. And they have some people. I mean, this is the new club open also during the current situation. They have a nice cars at the front. I mean, that's only jazz group, but yeah. In everywhere in Western countries, we have Honda Civic, where kids having Honda Civics, but in Indonesia they have a Honda Jazz, which is like Civic, but 5-door and slower. Anyway, that's how it is. Flamingo Cafe, something new. Fashion hotel here also. Actually, for me now, I was just thinking, love Koto, as whenever I'm gonna walk in the streets of the tourist attraction, everywhere actually, everybody will think as I just come back to Bali yesterday. So that's made me quite difficult for me for daily living, because well, I already forgot how is it. For 2 years nobody was thinking as I come yesterday. But on the other side, don't need to talk to explaining too much to the people, and everybody will be happy to be on the camera, because they will think as I just come yesterday. That's the difference. So two benefits. Yo, what's up? Yo, like I said, warung kmina. Yo. Hello, warung kmina. You. Another massage lady there, by the way. Starbucks coffee is still closed next to the one. Yo, bike. Yo, bike. Mike. Mike. The deck in the one corner. Another tourists here, seems like. Not so bad. This guy nearly hit me, by the way. It's alright. That's the risk of living in Indonesia. Hello. Oh, hello, hi. Everybody are friendly. That's one thing what I realized, guys. Like I said already, now everybody thinking as I just come to Bali yesterday, everybody are smiling and wants to be on the camera. That's the big difference. Yo, to the last 2 years. At the beginning, everybody was afraid about something, shy about something. Not everybody, but many people. But now everybody are happy to be on the camera without any problem. So the vibe of Bali is back. At least this one for sure. All right, transport. Also the boys who are selling transports are back, so it's no problem. Yo, everybody are happy. Any coffee pot. Many of you know this place. This was a long time ago when the road here was just the dirt road with the open canalization here. This was a long time ago, like 1980s, 1990s. So, but now it's changed. Okay, I will show you a little bit slightly more. Still quiet, but yeah. Coffee pot. Stop taxi. Maybe there's transport, Mike. Transport, Mike. Transport. Yeah, thank you. I don't know if you heard what he is offering me, but I cannot repeat this. But this is also popular to this area. By the way, superlative gallery. This is the gallery of NFT. So you could think, as I believe 99% of you don't know what is NFT, but Bali have gallery of NFT. Some crazy rich people open it. And if you don't know what is NFT, this is some sort of new thing, the same like a crypto and stuff like this. I'm not to explain about NFT. Ozzy. Oh, what is it? Okay. Yo, thank you. Massage. Hello. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So, Hotel Taman Ayo closed. Bar. All right. Like I said, everybody is so happy. Right? Everybody. Well, after that, not much is happening. Yo, hello. Thank you. The Warung next to Agon Cottage. Beautiful box. Take care, my friend. Yeah, massage. Thank you. Thank you. Hello. Welcome back. Everybody. I used to vlog seriously like on this street 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Nobody waved to me like this. Today everybody waved to me. Now you know the difference, guys. Anyway, this Bintang bar is gonna be a new one, something. It's gone, the old one. It's gonna be probably the new one. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, generally situation in Bali right now like this. It's already over half hour of the live stream. I hope so you enjoy, guys. Little fever, hello. Oh, hello. Everybody are happy, guys. This is like a Dutch colony style building for every one who are interested. I'm not sure what was there. Money changer, closed still, okay. Burger King is open in Legian next to the Sky Garden, guys. That's the big improvement. Yo! Nice shop. Hello. Yes?
You okay?
I'm alright. I'm just alright. Yeah, just looking. I'm showing to the people.
Shopping.
Shopping is different. Looking and shopping, that's two different things. Alright, take care. I'm from Europe, my friend. Thank you. And they're saying something bad about me now. It's alright. Empire 36, guys. Oh, Bluebird. Yo, hello. Oh my god, it's a good crack today. For lease, Legian 36 for everyone. Well, yeah, many buildings are for lease actually. This one, many still, but vibe is getting better and better. By the way, this club is for lease if you would like to invest into clubbing in Legian. Indomaret is open. This shop was closed for over 1 year. Can you imagine that, by the way, guys? So anyway, this is the area already of Kuta VIP, Sky Garden, and the bomb monument. Here there are some tourists from Jakarta arrive, how I know, because the B plate. Hello, parking guy, parking. Is a huge parking here by cars for 5k, by the way, empty. But yeah, still you can park on the street, but it will be busy. So they are like this. Oh, that's the nice Land Cruiser pickup, by the way, the old one from 1970s. I really like them. Anyway, I will stop here for a while. This is the VIP and Sky Garden at the front. VIP, not sure if you could get pizza yet, but I think it's open. And this is some tourists from, yeah, and that's how it is. Little moment for silence into memory of the people here. All right, and this is the VIP and Sky Garden. Used to be a popular place. Poppies too there, but today I'm not gonna work in the Poppies, guys. I'm sorry about that. Focusing on the main streets. Sky Garden used to be here, but Sky Garden is closed. Everybody knows story about that, why it's closed and always gonna be closed, probably never gonna be open again. That's in simple words. Probably not. 5GX, hello. Engine room. It's too early maybe for them, but they should open on Saturday. However, the Bounty discotheque and Paddy's at the front, I used to pass last weekend, late night, and was closed. The LXXY was open, but Bounty and this was closed. Anyway, that's how it is. I will show you a little bit also one more time. Yeah, J4 hotel. Many hotels here, like city hotels, 3-4 star, 2-3 star actually, most likely. But yeah. Anyway, Bounty, Apache, Bounty discotheque. Yeah, still closed. Yeah, what's up, doggo? So yeah, it's weekend, but it's still closed. Maybe they open at night, but I said last week was really closed. That means still not many people for party around. But meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit how does it look here. General situation. We used to vlog when Winnie is dancing in this club by herself. That was so funny actually. I mean, not so funny actually. Funny and sad at the same time. More likely sad. But funny how she danced alone. I mean, how she danced itself. Anyway. Whew. It's going hot. Restaurants. Yo. How are you, buddy? Welcome to Bali, brother. Welcome to Bali. Still very quiet. Look at this. What is it? No good. But maybe next time, yeah? Take care. I'm so chill today in Kuta, by the way, guys, and Legian. Oh, hello, hello. Thank you. But very nice. Thank you. Usually people used to park the motorbikes here a long time ago when they go clubbing in the, well, Bounty and stuff like this, and they come back with the flat tire, but that's long story. And this is LXXY. I think they are washing here streets, so they're gonna open tonight, but not yet. Later at 8 maybe. LXXY. Yeah. There is some Aussie bar here, by the way. Yo, what's up, man? Not so friendly actually. Well, I don't want to say that, but I have also many haters who don't like me. I could say even they hate me. so I have to be careful. I hope so nobody will kill me one day here. Actually, that's as you guys loves me, and many of you probably would like to invite me for Binta and everything. Doesn't mean that everybody loves me. I have to be also careful. That's why I'm trying to walk on the main streets, because I don't want to die here. Well, sometimes I have a seriously thinking about that, especially when somebody looking at you with the very angry face for some reason. So yeah, what I can say, little moment of silence. By the way, look at this shop with these beautiful aquariums like and Buddhas. Hello, friendly lady selling. Alright, this is a little bit more shady looking corner now. Going to Kuta corner, there is the Mexican restaurant at the corner, and going back to Kuta Beach. Hello, how are you? Welcome to Bali. Just open. Don't know what he's saying. That's something nice, actually. All right. Hello. All right, guys. Sorry, I was a little bit thinking about something. I think too much. I have sometimes my weakness is sometimes I'm thinking too much. Anyway, yeah, this is a little bit less optimistic looking part of the Kuta, guys. This is already Kuta, obviously. If you don't know, doggo. Nice bags, by the way. Very nice. Yo, how you doing?
Hang on. We're listening to me. Listening.
All right. I'm listening.
What you looking for, buddy?
Huh?
What you looking for?
I'm not looking for anything, my friend. Take care. Oh my god. Lucky as he understood, as he cannot say what he wants to say. Everybody who know Kuta, Legian, especially Kuta guys. For everyone who really know, you know what he wanted to sell me. And that saved him as he couldn't say that. And for everyone who don't know, you can imagine. Anyway, nice bags for ladies, guys. 300-400k only. Very cheap. Nice bags. I should buy maybe for Saya. Hello.
Hi guys.
How are you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Europe.
From Europe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Hello.
Everybody are happy. Hello, Mike. Thank you. I'm white anyway. I'm always tourist, my friend. He recognized me as I'm living here already longer while. But true is fact, you are white. And if you are white, you are always considered as a tourist, no matter of what. Even you're gonna take a Indonesian nationality, what is possible. So officially, hello. So officially you will be Indonesian, you're gonna speak Indonesian, you're gonna have a passport or a nationality, everything. But you're still gonna be considered as the tourist, as the foreigner. However, by the government, if you're considering about having you will have most of the laws like a local, but still you cannot do simple jobs. But after that you can. But anyway, that's not the topic. Oh, transport. Thank you. Beautiful dream cages, by the way. And yeah, this is the famous corner. Where is Don Juan? Yes, in Spanish language you read this Don Juan. I hope so, I didn't make a mistake, by the way. My Spanish is just sucks. A little bit. My brother used to live in Spain, so, but anyway, Don Juan, always foreigners sitting there. I should make a vlog there one day. But last time I asked you guys if you would like to see this place, nobody said anything, so anyway, I don't know. Anyway, now going to the, don't know what the name of the street, I think this is Legian Kuta, but I'm not sure. And anyway, this is the street where somewhere here is the famous legendary Warung Made, the first one. And Kuta Beach, Kuta Gate, just at the front, but 1 kilometer from here, so still will be little walk. I will face the camera now into this side, so will be everything closer. Fake cosmetics, perfumes. Yo, hello. And this is famous legendary Warung Made. Maybe some of you, like Alan or somebody, Cherubon, could say, as this Warung was open long time ago, and there was the only dirt road here, but that was ages ago, maybe first Warung in Kuta. And this is legendary place. Hello, welcome to Made's Warung, first Warung in Kuta. Maybe next time, but thank you so much. Thank you. Hello. Bon appetit. Yeah. So that's the ladies was from Germany because they said Dankeschön. So if somebody's from Germany, maybe Detlef. So nice vibes. Always, guys, always. You just have to be in the right time, you know. Sometimes the time is less, like, but now it's getting better and better. Maybe except this corner here, little still remembering the times when it was really bad. Some lady here, foreigner. And that's a nice Kintamani dog, by the way. This is Bali dog, but this is Kintamani dog. That's two different things. Two different kinds of dog. How I know? Well, I live here already longer while, but yeah. Yo. All right. Wow. So many dogs here, and this guy here. What's going on? People vibing in general. I should have a stop for the drink somewhere. It's already almost 50 minutes of live. So yeah, what's going on? They're selling some krupuk here next to tattoo shops if you're interested. There is some construction. And then here we go, the horse go car. Hello. Nice vibes. Okay, I will face more this little bit empty corner here. Well, it's just the beginning, guys, so I was thinking even to make a break from the live streams in the upcoming weeks and come back in May, maybe end of April, May, when everything will be more busier. But let's see, guys. You can also let me know what do you think. You want me to keep pushing every week or give it a break? And there is the massage ladies again. Another massage. Thank you. Hold on. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Kuta Agung. Yo, man. Oh, welcome to Bali.
Welcome Bali. Bali already corona. It's fine for now, Bali, eh?
Yeah. No more. All right. Yo. YouTuber. This street was popular for the massage things. Hello. Hi. Whoa. Hi. The path is falling apart. Colosseum. Whoa. I don't know. It's open, actually. All right. Bali Summer Hotel. Maybe some of you familiar. I think my hand starts shaking, guys. Sorry a little bit about that. I just realized it feels shaky already. Okay, I will change the position of my camera. Change the hand. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, all right. What we have here, little quiet. Puri Asin Hotel, rooms and bungalows, rooms only 200,000. And then Gloria Jean's Coffee. Jean's. All right. Well, approaching the Kuta Square, guys. I'm not that familiar with this street. I always pass this street driving only. Yeah, just driving. Well, the Bemo full of people, local lot full of people. Not really familiar with the street, but also not my favorite street. I used to pass here walking few times, but always have a mixed feeling. Maybe I'm just a little bit less lucky for this street, but or maybe that street is how it is. Hello. And yeah, Alpha Express and the damn loud music. Okay. Alright, Kimberley Spa, and the music is also very loud. Summer Chicks. Hello. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, how are you? Yes, transport, Mike. Alright, Kuta KFC, and this is already Kuta Square. Guys, I will stop here for a while. I need to have a drink. Hello, little local warung, and this is the little bit look of the Kuta Square. I will stop here a little bit to see how's the traffic around. Seems quite busy actually, I could say. Come from this direction, so now you know where I am, next to KFC, Kuta Square, and then I'm gonna go to Kuta Beach and then passing Beach Walk and back to Padma. Meanwhile, the traffic is quite big actually. I will put the camera on the floor because I need to take a break and have a drink, so you will watch this just for half minute, 30 seconds, guys. All right, I need to have a drink, really. But it's quite busy, I have to say, especially now. Already around 5. It's actually quite busy. Okay, let's go. I will take this. Let's check this out. So many cars in the queue. I used to be in Kuta 2 days ago in this area as well. I make a very nice video about the one made drinking bintang for tourists, and in general, many to hear drivers, people was very friendly. I hope so you watch this video. If not, highly recommend it to check this, but was less traffic than it's now. But obviously weekend is weekend, and weekend is different than the regular day, right? So yeah, seems quite busy. All right, on the weekend also Jamie Oliver is open, which is good improvement. Yeah, Jamie is open, and here is the new supermarket. They opened the Alphamart. 2 days ago was still under construction, and this is Jamie Oliver for everyone. Hello for everyone. And this is some fella walking, also seems like a tourist hard rock shop, but let's focus for today on this side now. Whew. So hot. Bali is hot, but in general also getting busier. Definitely big improvements. So the Grand Ina Hotel, like I said, you could stay here if you arrive, and also many local people inside. And the traffic next to Kuta Beach, and at the front is already Kuta Beach, obviously. Kuta Gate. Sorry a little bit for the quality of the video because the sun is facing my lens almost directly, so, but after that I hope so you understand. Anyways, here is the beach corner. Transport, Mike. Hello, boss. And this is the Alright. Actually, the traffic is here and there is no traffic for a while. I don't know what's going on. Maybe people here parking. Alright. This is the last street what I'm covering today. Well, but this street is super long, actually the longest, going up to Padma again. So basically from Kuta Square, from Kuta Beach, main gate, you can go up to Padma and more up to 66 Seminyak actually. And even more after that, but especially after the Seminyak there is street. So it's gonna be long walk. And yeah, Hard Rock Cafe. Honestly, I was in the Hard Rock Hotel, I was in the Hard Rock Central stage, but I never been in Hard Rock Cafe. I'm not a big fan of it either. But wow, Messi is advertising it, so that's actually interesting. Yo, what's up? Yeah, always Hard Rock have a vibe. Usually when I'm flying internationally, I'm going to Hard Rock there in the airport. Either it's expensive, but it's good fun to talk with the people there. They're always friendly to talk. Maybe that's it. But I already forgot how is it in the international airport terminal, because I didn't fly already since, well, actually 2 years ago, beginning of March, I was in Singapore. This is the last my international travel. This is first video on my channel actually from that. You could check it out. I know somebody subscribed me, some people subscribe me on this video and watching till now, so I'm so proud of it. Either the video quality is terrible. Actually stable to cut this off, I mean to delay it, but I'm not gonna do it anyway. Sorry for the quality, but very nice video. You could consider to check this out. Anyway, this is little bazaar next to Pizza Hut, next to Mercure Kuta. So if you stay here, you can have a bazaar on the street, straightforward, especially for ladies. Some tourists here also walking around. Mercure Kuta is also approved hotel if you're interested. So yeah, but the music, that's not good, but looks nice. Okay, I have to run. The music. Oh my god. Starbucks open. Alright, let's see how many tourists walking around. There is some maid, there is some massage. Massage, hello. Massage. The Kuta Beach Heritage Hotel. There is some maid walking around. Transport service. Quite many. Kuta is actually, I just realized, Kuta is definitely more alive now due to the local tourists, Indonesian tourists. Because mostly if you are passing by right now with me, you see there are domestic people, right? Not many foreigners, but local. Yes, transport might. Maybe not, thank you. Some ladies walking around. And the traffic on the street is actually busy for the weekend. Kuta Beach Bar. Getting tired. Welcome to Poppies One. I'll vlog maybe on Poppies One, but make a special video about that, but not during the live stream. Meanwhile, situation on Poppies still quiet. Local people here. Yeah. It's going to be busy, guys. Unbelievable. There is the new shop Alpha Express. Situation like this. The kids still selling tissues. And that's how it is. Mercure ladies from Kuta walking around. Somebody parked the motorbike here. There is the flipjack. And yeah, that's the situation. It's quite busy, I could say. Hello. And yeah, the Kuta Sea View Boutique Resort. Little bit empty space here without the much cars, and obviously little traffic will be next to the beach walk more. The restaurants here also, if you are familiar, interested, they are back to business, at least some of them, like Rossovira here. Yo, what's up? Hello. The guy waving for the parking. And there will be he's showing that's so epic. And yeah, traffic now on the weekend, right? Okay, he got the customer. That's the from F. I don't know where is F coming from. From Indonesia, that's for sure, but where, I'm not sure. I'm not that expert about the registrations in Indonesia. Somewhere from Java Island, I bet, because of single letters they are usually from there. Anyway, Poppy's Lane 2 vendors situation. Used to vlog there. I'm gonna come back next 2 months. When we'll be busy, I hope so, like I promised. And Sheraton. Sheraton is also on the list of the hotels approved. So maybe somebody inside. And this will be already area of beach walk in Kuta. Probably the best and the most popular mall in Bali. Well, it's the best because if you need something to buy, something what is especially imported, definitely the best place. On other places you're not gonna find this. So definitely nice place. This is the drop off only. And this is also the one wing, and it seems like it's quite busy. Also have to be very careful how to walk. Not sure why the cars actually passing here, but they don't drop off anyone. This is the Grab box, so officially you can order Grab without just simply officially you can, without worried about anything and anyone. Trust me, I used to use it, nobody says single word to me. And anyway, the situation with the Grab and Gojek online taxis now is definitely different than pre-current situation. It's just more peaceful and more accessible, so highly recommended. Even last time I used to do the Grab car from Seminyak last week on the live stream. Highly recommended for everyone, guys, if you're looking to. Yeah, anyway, the Journal and Starbucks cafe seems busy, actually full. Also the situation on the street, some girls arrive, also seems foreigners, so foreigners also start coming to Kuta, at least to beach walk, because that was the time when nobody is coming to beach walk as well. So, and also if you ask me why so many motorbikes here, yeah, look at this, the people coming so they park, simple as that. I don't know. After that, and the beach walk situation, not that super busy as I was expecting. Actually, many people passing by, but not many people in beach walk. Maybe they are more likely going to the beach. I used to vlog on the beach last time. Today walking on the street. Anyway, not that fan of this side of the beach, actually, exactly this moment. So, taxi. I'm gonna move to the beach side actually right now. This is the entrance. Also the new hotel yellow and a loft by Marriott is open in the beach walk for everyone for looking for city hotel and cheaper alternative to Sheraton. This is for you, and I'm gonna pass the street right now. I hope so. I'm not gonna dive on live stream. When they see me filming, they slowing down. Hello. Hello, yo, what's up? Everybody. I'm gonna walk through the parking area. That actually looks pretty cool, how so many motorbikes are parked. Maybe somebody will say hi to me or something like that. So yeah. Oh no, there is little water here, have to avoid, walk around. I will have a look on the beach right away. If I'm already here, I'm not, hope so, it will be alright. Situation on the beach. Yo, what's up?
Hey, my friend.
Yo.
I am surfer, man. Hey, come surfing, bro.
I cannot see.
Come on, I'm surfer, bro. I'm the best one, number one, the Kuta Beach, bro.
That's good.
Come on, man.
Thank you.
Hey.
Yo! Oh, the squirrels. Here we go. Oh, man! That's good, man. Yo! I hate you too. Love ya. See ya. He just said,
Crazy man.
hello. Crazy man, yeah, I know. Yo. No, now if you're asking me why I don't really like this side of the Kuta Beach now, you know. First of all, guy like this, he said as he hates me. It's alright. I love him as a human. Mama teach me to have to love everyone, even they hate you. Actually, even they hate you and you tell them as you love him, that's actually even better. What I was saying, I don't know. Oh, all right, yeah. Grand Istanarama Hotel here, 69 bar. So many warungs nowadays, like attack warungs and everything. Hello. I prefer walk on the street. People are more friendly. Rama Hotel, never been there. This is like a street food zone for tourists. Why I'm saying it's a street food zone for tourists? Because yeah, there are prices for tourists and the street food for tourists, not really for local people. If you want a very local, buy from the street, from the parking area, especially as they are now allowed to sell here. But if you want more tourists, maybe more cleaner, more better there. Also more pricey. Win a holiday villa there. Harley. Still people have money in Bali to buy Harleys. I like this Toyota. I really like these 70s Toyotas, by the way. Yeah, little warung here. You can buy Sato Bobby. Very nice. Sato Bobby, yo. Like I said, better buy from him if you want to have very local. Very local. I mean, oh. Crazy. Look at this guy with this bulldog dog. I think it's bulldog. Nice dog. I hope so he's not gonna attack me. Hello, nice dog. The guy saying, hello, transport. How I know as this guy is offering transport as the Grab? Because I know. Look at this one. And now is the empty piece of the street. Yeah, nobody knows why it's empty actually. I asked already many times. God damn loud bike. This is not the MotoGP. God damn. I enjoy the sound of the street. Here we go. Legendary Land Cruiser. Alright. So, anyway, when I first time come to Bali, I used to buy in one of these warungs the SIM card. That's the story what I never share to anyone. This is taxi driver. But the warungs are closed and this is supposed to be something, but the land is empty since I remember, and nobody actually know why it's empty. It's just empty. For long as nobody remember. So yeah, anyway, if you lost where I am, so I'm between beach walk in Kuta, by Kuta Beach, and at the front used to be a Cittadines hotel, now it's Mamaka by the way, and Stones, Legian, Westin, Windham and Pullman, and then will be Legian Beach. And then Bali Mandira and the place where I started today's video. I mean my Bluebird taxis, but nicely actually they waiting park. They don't driving looking for people, they are just waiting. It's just not so bad. The Grab driver, Bluebird. And this is the official Bluebird. So they have a BD number and the sign and the sticker on everywhere, and this one and the QR code and the license inside the car. So if you want to have a proper convenient taxi, this is the for you. But if you wanna save few bucks and be more safe, I could say take a Grab. Especially if you use online payments. How I use it, they will never ask you for cash because it's already automatically all paid. Very, very nice stuff now changed. Where is Yo? So Benasari entrance from the other direction. I used to vlog there. Yo! This boy here, and this is the new Mamaka. That was the Cittadines Hotel. I believe many of you are used to stay here, familiar. Now it's Mamaka, different brand, different price, new look, at least from outside. I believe they totally refurbished. Little bit also local corner here. There is still construction of this hotel. I'm not sure what it's gonna be actually, but it's still construction. They're still working on it. It's gonna be some local people eating here, but I'm not gonna distract them how they're eating. Maybe they don't wish to. Smoking break. And then I'm gonna walk a little bit on the street because I wanna show you what is. Yo! At the front, if you can see this mountain. This is the Mount Batukaru. This is not Mount Agong, however, looks like this. Looks like this, but it's not. It's Mount Batukaru facing Tabananjatiluik area, where Sweden is coming from. Very nice weather today, by the way. Wyndham Gardens is open. Yeah, there's a few shops. Circle K, convenience shop. The beach also. Okay, I'll show you a little bit. The beach here. Mostly surfers coming here, like this car. The big beach here, a little bit, and the big mountain of rubbish also here, still. All right. Come back to the street. Circle K, quite many people in the Circle K, by the way. Check this out, that's unbelievable. And this is already, hello, the area of Mi Ayam Bakso Malang, corn, and famous The Stones by Marriott. Nice hotel, some tourists, local, domestic. The Stones is open, actually always was open, it was never closed. Nice hotel, used to stay there once. It's nice, but like all Marriott hotel, guys. But city hotel, this is not resort, right? So city hotel without access to the beach, like any other hotel in Kuta, by the way. I mean, the Stones is here and the beach is there, so you have access to the beach, but public. I mean, like not directly, you have to cross the street, something like that. You got what I mean. New Avanza Veloz, brand new. Why actually talking about that? Toyota will never give me anything. But yeah, Avanzas are the most popular cars in Bali. In Indonesia in general, especially in Bali, but in Indonesia, so. Right. This is Alam Kul. Old hotel or villas. I think somebody said us know this place. Yo. People here, they have a tendency to selling you something what they might regret, as they said. So I'm gonna avoid this. For their own health. Papa's Beach Cafe. Yo, bro. I'm alright. How are you? Transport. And then will be the Pullman. This loud music, that's not good. Fly me to the moon. Love the song, but I cannot. Okay, I will show a little bit on the... I'm not gonna show on the beach. Changed my mind. Alright, I hope so. I'm not gonna get any strike because of this. Is this live? I'm not sure, but this is the nice. So, okay, music. Sorry guys, I know I sound stupid, but I really have to evacuate from the area where is the music for the sake of the safety reasons on YouTube. All right. This is the Pullman Hotel. I used to stay in Pullman in Adelaide in Australia. Never stayed in Bali one. They have a rooftop swimming pool if it's open. Also City Corner, City Hotel, very popular. Never stay here in Bali. Anyway, but I know many of you may know this place. So yeah, situation here. The beach is little bit less popular. Hello. And yeah, less popular, or popular more to the local people. Pullman. Anyway, if you're interested, transport mic. Transport. Okay. See, I said transport first to him before he said transport to me. That's the skill already. This is the Legian Beach, guys. The corner of Legian Beach, Legian Hotel, Legian Beach Hotel, Legian Beach, and then will be Mandira and the place where I start today's video. This gate was closed, now it's open. We're gonna have a me ayam, local street food if you would like to have it. Some dogos. Pantai Legian already. This is Legian. This is the corner. Okay, I will show you a little bit. Yeah, there, and I'm gonna quickly show you the beach situation. It looks like this. The entrance is empty, kids playing, and on this side is very quiet. Anyway, I will go now. Dog had the rice, which is nice. You can buy tea, temper. All right. Used to vlogging here very often in the street. Long time ago, used to be the security pechalang. So there is complicated situation here because the beach vendors are gone, like all, literally all, you can see. Yeah, they are just gone, simply gone. And there was some controversy, I think somebody says that the owners are not originally Balinese here and coming from different islands of Indonesia, and they are not allowed to sell here anymore. But local Balinese didn't come here, so I'm not sure, guys. Maybe you can discuss about that. So one more time I will show you this one. Here we go. All is closed. Very sad view actually. This is just next to the Bali Beach Hotel, and here we go. This is the Ole Beach Bar. Okay, this is special request for my bro Alan. Alan probably watching this and will be interested how does it look inside. So there is the bar. Hello. There is the bar like this. Alan, this is for you, mate. I hope you enjoy. Is the bar? It's not what you told me anymore, but you know that. So this is for you, guys, and for everyone. Anyway, this is the Bali Beach Hotel. Well, not so busy, not so successful at the moment. Like full with a whole area over here in general. So yeah. But the hotel is open, guys. Its hotel is open without any doubts. Not sure about the pricing and everything, but it's open. As you see, Bali Beach Hotel. We are open, and slowly life is going here. This is great place for me to making videos. Like, you know, like I wanna say something for a few minutes and just walk peacefully. First, it looks very nice in general. Second, it's very quiet, calm, no distraction of the loud bikes and the people here because nobody is here actually by the way. And yeah, so one guest staying inside the hotel, I think only one. I mean, at least on the swimming pool situation. And the front, there is the Azul Beach Club. We used to talk about the current regulations that are inside. If you would like to see, I also vlog many times there, many times. Show my Bandung guy, also street food. So yeah, Azul for everyone who are interested. There are some people here. And going now to Padma coming back. Anyway, the situation, like I said, this kids Azul, nice place by the way, quite pricey but nice. I recommend it if you would like to spend some dollar and some having good time. Belongs to Bali Mandira Beach Resort and Spa, by the way. And this hotel is very family friendly. Also, somebody asked me about the family friendly hotel. They have a slides, good for kids, entertainment. Very old hotel, but very, very nice. Never stayed there, but been inside, walking around. Very nice. Really recommended place. And yeah, this is the situation. They're working with the speaker, with the music. Anyway, this is the singing guy already coming back. I had a very long walk here, by the way. So it's been a long walk, very long. People are, back again. Yes, I'm back again. And you move also from there. Come here, yeah.
Too hot in
Yeah,
in
too
there,
hot.
too hot.
Yeah.
And then I'm coming in.
Yeah, that's good.
Looking now already busy.
Little bit. Legian Street is okay.
But Canggu I saw so many people now.
Canggu, yeah, Canggu very much. You can see on my YouTube
I'm already
yesterday. Yeah.
always looking.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, I will go. Yeah. Take care. See you next time. Yeah. Yeah. This lady, singing guy again. I'm not gonna ask him for song, but I just wanna see how does it look peacefully the situation. All right. People coming to the beach. Kids. Little busier, of course. Yo, this guy have a hair like a Jimi Hendrix. You guys know Jimi Hendrix, right? Well, if you don't know, he had a few nice songs. And the hairstyle exactly like this. Okay, I parked somewhere here. I hope so my car is still there. That's yeah, it's alright. It's still there. Not this car, by the way. It's still there. I can see. I'm not gonna show you my car for the safety reasons, but long time I was showing so much cars every single day, and then I got robbed. Doesn't mean that you guys will rob me, of course. Don't get me wrong, but like I said, there are few people who hate me here. Also, not everybody loves me. Padma, one more time. And going now to Warung Erika. I'm gonna have a radler. I hope so she open, because sometimes Erika, if there is ceremony in her house, in her village, she have to go there and she have to close it, which is sad, but truly understandable, right? So anyway, this is the Padma. So if you stay in Padma, actually you just leave Padma, and the entrance to Erika is here, this gate. So actually facing the swimming pool. Facing the swimming pool, you can see Erika here. So I'm going to have a radler, and I think that will be slowly the end of today's video. All right, how's the situation here? Erika is busy. Erika is busy. Hello, darling. How are you?
Selamat sore.
Selamat.
Indonesia, ya.
Selamat sore. Apa kabar, Erika? Baik, ya.
Good?
All good. How is the business? Business?
Slow.
So slow.
Sometimes good, sometimes
Stungkara,
Astungkara,
ya.
ya.
Okay, that's it. My Bahasa is finished. Alright. You have lemon?
Yeah. You want sitting?
Yeah, please. I will sit. Lemon and peanut. Relax.
Enjoy.
Hey, Erika, I walk from here. I go to Legian Street, Padma, Legian Street, go to Kuta Square, beach walk, and come back, walking.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, wow, look my face, see? So sweaty.
Oh.
So that I need cold lemon, okay? Cold lemon. Okay, all the time. Okay. Erika, be prepared. If people come back to Bali, you will be very busy, okay? Hope so.
Yes,
Hope.
Astungkara.
Astungkara.
Yeah. But my friend tell me, April, my friend coming, May, friend coming, June, up close, maybe, yeah.
Astungkara.
Astungkara. Bali
Okay.
back to normal.
Almost,
Yeah.
almost soon.
Bintang and
Bintang and Radler. Okay. I will take a lemon, okay?
okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And here we go, guys. This is the Warung Erika. I think I know these people here. I think so. I know them. How are you? How are you guys? All good? Enjoying Bintang?
You're not having a drink?
I will drink. But I need to say something. Finish my turn and I will join you. All right? Enjoy. For now, but I will be back. All right. So this is the Warung Erika situation by the beach. That's my viewers sitting there. I already meet them. They are a lovely Italian couple. Already living here for a longer while, a few months already. Probably gonna enjoy the Bintang with them. I'm having a little talk. Not sure if they would like to be on the camera, so have to appreciate that as well. Meanwhile, the situation by the beach looks like this, guys. Very nice, very quiet, but very nice. Will be the sunset soon, and then for the rest of the today's video, I will put the few minutes of the sunset, so the guys you still can talk each other, communicate, watching the sunset, and when you are especially during the live chat, and if you are watching playback, just you can enjoy. That will be yeah, like this. Well, what I can say, thank you so much for watching today. I will switch off the microphone, so probably will be without the sound, by the way. Anyway, thank you so much for watching for today's live stream. It took me what time is it, by the way? It's like 5:30, which is like not so bad. 5:30 actually, half hour to the sunset. I'm tired as always, guys, when you see how I'm sitting, but not as that much. It's really not so bad. There is little bit erotic session with the dogs. Anyway, the sunset is gonna be like that. Meanwhile, the situation by the beach looks like this. Guys, thank you so much for watching today live, and generally video later in the playback. Don't forget to about the big stomach, very important, guys. And thank you so much. You can let me know in the comment section what do you think about the situation. Also, let me know if you would like me to make a live the video similar style next week again, or wait, maybe take a break for 1 month and come back in end of April, beginning of May, when there will be already more busier. Meanwhile, situation in Legian Beach is like this. It's nice, but not that busy, guys. Okay, I will enjoy my beer, and I will see you on next one tomorrow, as always, regular vlog. Maybe with Winnie gonna be with me. I hope so. We're gonna make something. See ya. Take care, guys. All right. I actually changed my mind. I'm gonna grab the bintang, what Erika already provided for me, and then I'm gonna show you a little bit of the beach for the end. Last minute. By the way, it was rainy, so the sand is actually pretty wet still, as you see. Erika, oh, I think I also know. I split my bintang. I think I know this lady as well. YouTube King, yeah.
Still here.
How are you? I'm always here. Always here.
I see you going down the river.
All right. Enjoy, guys.
Yeah, you
Not gonna distract you. And as I promised, I will show you a little bit of the sunset. Well, the sunset is not yet. Like I said, thanks to my videos, Erika is getting a little bit, having some people coming. I hope so, guys. When you're gonna come to Bali, you're gonna come also visit her, at least say hi, and maybe we're gonna see you for the bintang. Anyway, and I enjoy my radler, and I will see you tomorrow or next one. Take care, guys. I just gonna leave my camera here. Maybe with this lens wider, it's good. Take care, guys. Cheers, by the way, still.